This is Meshcast. Fact check first, hedges preserved. The Geo Network video about Romania's F-16 destroying a Russian naval drone at the Neptun Deep gas platform on August 20th, 2026 is substantially accurate. Reuters, Politico, The Guardian, Romania Insider, and Romania's own defense ministry all confirm it. The video's anchor even walked through 4 counter-arguments at the end, which is more honest than most OSINT coverage. But the title overclaims 2 things, and there are 3 hedges the public should hear plainly. Here's what actually happened, confirmed by multiple independent sources. At 6:28 a.m. on August 20th, a commercial vessel spotted a small drifting drone about 80 nautical miles east of Constanța, near the Neptun Alpha platform. Romania's defense ministry set up a crisis cell, requested NATO transfer command to Romania's own forces, and scrambled 2 F-16s. One F-16 fired its 20mm Vulcan cannon and hit the drone. The cannon hit, but didn't fully destroy it. The drone kept drifting. A Coast Guard vessel with an explosive ordnance disposal team reached the scene and finished it off. It was carrying explosives. Ukraine confirmed through a direct channel that the drone was not theirs. Romania's president publicly blamed Russia. Now, what the title overclaims. First, kamikazes entered NATO territory. Technically, no. The drone was in Romania's exclusive economic zone, 80 nautical miles offshore. That's Romania's economic waters, but it's not Romanian territorial waters. And Romania's own defense officials explicitly said earlier this year that infrastructure in the EEZ does not automatically trigger NATO's Article 5. The video body correctly noted this. The title strips it. Second, F-16s open fire. Plural. 2 F-16s were scrambled. Only 1 actually fired. That's a small point, but it matters when you're evaluating what happened. The Neptun Deep numbers check out. Approximately 100 billion cubic meters of recoverable gas, roughly 8 billion cubic meters per year starting in 2027, contributes about 20 billion euros to Romania's state budget over the project's lifetime, makes Romania the EU's largest natural gas producer. The Uniper contract with Germany, the supply deal with Moldova, all confirmed by OMV Petrom directly. This is why the platform matters strategically. It ends Russian gas leverage over Central and Eastern Europe. And that's the honest reason to think Russia has motive here, even without a formal claim of responsibility. The New York Times August 14th report is also real, confirmed by multiple secondary sources citing the original NYT piece. Putin gathered his inner circle at the end of 2025 for a classified briefing. His stated 2026 goal, quote, the collapse of NATO and the EU from within. Moldova named as a top priority after Ukraine. That's what the NYT reported, sourced to officials from 2 countries. But here's the honest hedge. It's anonymous intelligence sources. We can't verify Putin's actual private words with certainty. The Kremlin publicly denies interference in Moldova. The video correctly flagged this as inference, not proof. Bottom line, the event is real. The numbers check out. The pattern of Russian drone incidents against Romania in July and August 2026 is documented by Reuters and the Moscow Times. Romania shot down 3 drones in 3 days back in July. This latest one, with the F-16 cannon strike, is the first naval drone kill and the first cannon strike Romania has done. The infrastructure risk to Neptun Deep is real. What's overclaimed is that this proves Putin has officially lost the Black Sea. Russia is weakened at sea, but not defeated, and the Article 5 threshold has not been crossed. Large-scale invasion of Moldova is not imminent. What is real is that hybrid warfare pressure is intensifying, and Romania has stopped hesitating. That part deserves to be known. That's Meshcast. Fact check first.